This video is sponsored by SKETCHFAB. Stick around to see how you can get high quality premium free 3D models and also how you can buy and sell your own 3D models. Hey, what's up guys and welcome back to askNK. This is another interesting episode of Free Friday, and this week we have a whole lot of things that you guys will want to grab, you want to hot them, you want to download, you want to just keep them. We all love free stuff, and that is why we have Free Friday. It's very good to have Free Friday back again, and this week we're starting off with Environment Textures. Environment Textures is a website that is ever expanding, and it gives you opportunities to find environment-like textures that you can work with. So once it's a texture you can find within your environment, once this is something that exists on the surface that you can find within your environment, you would probably find it here. Now, one thing to keep in mind is most of the things that you get here are actually not free, but if you're looking for the free stuff, you can go over to free samples, and this would open up a section that you can download tons and tons of free stuff. So we can go all the way down and you can see tons of textures that these gives you opportunity to get. So in case you're looking for free textures and you're looking for environment textures, to be precise, you're looking for some grungy textures, some landscape textures, you're looking for, textures that you find in your everyday life, then this is a good website for you to come through and check out something that is quite organic than something that is, automated or generated from a PC. Now with this said, let's dive over to CubeBrush to take a look at what we have for this week. So starting off right here on CubeBrush, there are free stuff that you can get for this week, and the thing with CubeBrush is you need to get them before they expire. If they expire on a given day, it means you have to wait for the next day to get it. And we're going to start off with a sci-fi architecture panel. So in case you want to get this sci-fi architecture panels pack number 2, you can come through and get it. This is available as OBJ and FBX, and it is made available by Rex. So Rex is a wonderful creator, and of course you can tell from the list of things that he has here, as you can get the sci-fi architecture panel. You can also see there's also the panel pack, the free one, and there's also another free asset that you can get here, and finally we have another one here. And of course, these are not the only things that you'll be getting from CubeBrush, as we're getting 9 bars tools from Pipe Collections, and this is made by Razavi. So in case you're looking for something to stylize your scene with, maybe you're looking for something that deals with wood, probably you're just quite excited about getting some of these things into your scene, then you might as well come and get it. These files are available as both 3D Studio Max file and FBX, which means you can import these into any DCC app of your choice. And Razavi has also created some other things before, and you might also want to come through and check them out. And with that said, there is this beautiful late 19th century Victorian evening dress which you can pick up, and this one is available for both Blender and also as an OBJ file. So if you like to get it right now, you can come through and check it out, and it's made available by G. Right now this is available and you can actually come through and grab it, and it's also going to be available for the next 19 days. But of course I wouldn't want you to wait for 19 days to get it, so you can come through and grab it right now. G has also made a couple of things before, so you might want to go over to her page as well and check out some of these nice dresses that she has made. Like there's a modern red dress that you can grab there. There's also some very nice shaders around here that you can check out. You can also see these pretty cool ones like this and lots more. So you can also see this is a leg anatomy, and it goes all the way down to things like this. So it's actually very interesting to see. G is the same creator of this beautiful ultimate hair shader. So we've already talked about the ultimate hair shader, and actually this was something that we talked about, things you can get on Gumroad, and it's quite interesting to see that G, which is actually the short form of Gloria, does have an interesting CubeBrush page where you can grab all of these things right here. And of course we also have some more stuff that deals with references. So there's a sky reference picture for creators which you can use to reference your sky. You can actually get all of this pack and do some interesting things with it. This pack is coming in at 757.25 megabytes, and of course there's also another reference pack that is coming at 216.37 megabytes. So right now you can't actually download this. At the point of recording, you can't download this because the limit has been reached for today, so you would have to come the next day, which is going to be tomorrow, or the next day after the day you watch this. So far this is still available and you can come through and grab it. And of course there's also some very cool stuff that deals with background, which is 10 free nebula backgrounds. So this is pack 129. So if you're thinking about getting some nebula backgrounds, maybe you want to do something outer space looking stuff, yep, you can come through and check these ones out and grab them for yourself. So with this said, let's talk about one more thing that would aid you in creating awesome stuff with ZBrush. And we're talking about nothing more than the ZBrush IMM hand blockout brush. So this is made available by Alonso, and you might want to check this one out. So making hands is one of those things that we have issues working with, or should I say making fingers. This is one of those things that we end up having issues working with as artists, and it can take several hours to just get the perfect hand or even getting a good blockout that you can work with. So right now I've actually gone ahead to download this. So right now you can come through and grab these free sample ones. This is only available as IMM brushes, which you can work with in ZBrush. So if you're into ZBrush and you would like to get this 8 blockout, you can grab it. Of course, he does have, you know, the full pack that deals with way more stuff that you might want to work with. So you might also come through and check this one out. And what you'll be getting with this, it's about 58 different looking, you know, hand blockouts, and this is just incredible. So think about all of the possibilities and all of the time this is going to save you, and check it out. So you might want to start up with a free one, check it out, play with it, see what the topology looks like, and if it's something you're comfortable with, you can pay him another visit. And with this said, let's talk about our Artstation pick for the week. So there's a couple of things that we've picked out for Artstation this week, and we're going to start off with something that will put a smile on your face, which is matte caps for Blender. So if you're a Blender artist, you might want to have matte caps and you would like to, you know, play with these matte caps, preview some of your stuff in Blender by looking at them from one particular point to another, you know, checking how they kind of display within your viewport. And these matte caps are right here for you to grab. So you can come through, check out this matte caps, and this is made available by Avatarz, and you can grab these things and play with them and preview some amazing and interesting content within your viewport. And of course, this isn't the only thing Avatarz is giving out for this week, as he also has the Blender curve hair, which you can use to create hair right in Blender. And of course, you can also grab this one and play with it, and you can use this to start making that beautiful hair and that beautiful anime style looking stuff within your scene. Moving forward, we also have some free meshes. So this free mesh is a human skeleton. For those who want to study anatomy, you want to see how, you know, the human bones actually work, you'll be getting this right here. Now this is coming as 2 files. The first one is the ZTL file, which you can see from here, which means that you can use this and do some anatomical study right in ZBrush, or you can get the OBJ file that you can use in any app of your choice. So it's very interesting to see that Fabrico has made this one possible. And as well, you might also want to come through and check out a 30 droplets alpha that you might want to work with as well. So these 30 droplets alphas are for those who would want to add a couple of, you know, distinction to whatever thing that you're making. But I'm not so sure if the free version is coming with up to 30. I kind of think that maybe the free version will be coming with less, because the file size here actually says it all. This is 1.8, and right over here you can see we have 160. And of course, you can download these, play with them, and make choices. And with that said, we are also going to take a look at some nice sci-fi material generator by Michael. So there are a couple of cool stuff that Michael has, but starting off, this material generator, you know, it comes in 2 different types. There's a free version which comes with a compiled version of the substance file, and there is a paid one that you can use. And in terms of trying to get the source file, you can only get the source file with a paid version. But then if you're looking for more free stuff, you can also go over to his page, where you would be able to find the procedural bricks and also the procedural crystal materials. And of course, you can play with these things and you can use them in stylizing your scene, stylizing your assets, and doing some great stuff. And moving forward, we also have this lovely and beautiful stuff, and it is coming from M-Steph. Now, M-Steph has 3 main characters that he is giving out for free. Actually, they're not characters, they're high quality models. And from the description which you would see here, this particular model is coming as an OBJ file, and of course it's also coming as a ZTL file, which is a ZBrush file. And you would also notice that there is, you know, the textures are also applied here. So just in case you're looking for some base mesh, or maybe you're trying to study how sculpting works, or you're just looking for a character that you can play with, you can tweak, you can do some stylization with, probably want to study some stuff, this is right here for you to grab. And taking a look at M-Steph's page, you would see that there's actually more. So there is way more stuff that you can get with him. So there's also a free model that comes with the XGen node and guide curve. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. And that is this one. All right, so you can see this is right here. So getting this would give you the low poly version of this character with UVs, and of course you're also going to be getting the high resolution sculpt. There is also the XGen grooming, cache that you might want to work with, especially if you're working with Maya, and all of these things are right here. So stuff that you might be getting from MSteph is just incredible. Of course, if you're also thinking about getting a River Otter asset, you would also see that there's an Otter asset right here that you can grab. So pretty cool stuff right over here. So incredible and interesting stuff for those who like to grab this. But before we go, let's talk about our sponsors, SKETCHFAB. So SKETCHFAB is a beautiful place on the internet where you can grab, and of course you can sell, and also check out some high quality content. So in case you're into downloading stuff, you love downloading free assets, you love downloading free content, SKETCHFAB is the home for you. If you're also thinking about where to sell your own free content, of course you can also come through and sell these things on SKETCHFAB, collaborate and meet up with several artists and get visible. Now, for you to download anything on SKETCHFAB, all you need to do is go over to sketchfab.com, go over to explore, hit the downloadable, and you would see all the downloads that is available for this week. So downloads are always updated, and there's constant inflow of content every week. So just in case you're into free stuff, every single week there's a free thing for you to grab and work with. And the beautiful thing about SKETCHFAB as well is every single time SKETCHFAB creates a challenge to help the artist hone their craft and actually get better. So the challenge that is currently available right now deals with 3D scan. So if you're into 3D scans, and of course you would like to join this challenge, you can go over to the link in the description that will bring you right here where you can join this challenge and check out the prizes and of course the amazing things that you will be getting from this. And a huge shout out to SKETCHFAB for making this possible, and of course a huge shout out to all of the creators, all of the artists that have actually taken their time to create this amazing piece and kept them for free for every other artist to grab. Link to all of this is going to be in the description, and of course if you like this video or you learned something from this, you can go ahead and give it a like, and don't forget to share with a friend. And if you're new here, it's going to be amazing for you to hit the subscribe button and also turn on notifications so that you don't miss next video or the next update. And until I see you guys again with a tutorial update, Free Friday, Tutorial Tuesday, tips and tricks, things like this. Peace.